Are you excited about your new project?
Yes, I'm gonna be working on this and you guys are gonna get to see the whole adventure. Thank you guys for watching this series. Have a good day.
Check it out, guys. We braved a rainstorm, got soaking wet, but we found a great deal. Our latest project is going to be for our son, Grayson.
I will show you what the project is when we get out. So,
all right, let's go check it out. Oh man, what do you got? What did you buy?
A Razor SX500.
Nice. This thing is rough right now. Do you want to tell them how much you paid for it?
I paid $60 for this. That's a really good deal, but you're going to be in this journey with us and we're going to fix it up to look really cool. So thank you for joining us from day one to the last day.
Let me show you what we're working with. No grips, no brake, handles, worn out plastics.
It's not even raining anymore.
Yeah, I'm glad it stopped raining. Muddy as can be, but this thing is going to be awesome by the time we're finished with it. How's it feel?
It feels good.
Yeah, see, it's the same size.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right, let's bring it up.
Oh my gosh, there's glass.
All right.
But
Get all this
is that
stuff.
rust?
See all the mud on the rim?
Oh my gosh.
Here, get it.
Oh my gosh.
That's a little bit.
Good thing I didn't wear my Mario stuff.
Well, apparently I needed a mud bath. I got mud splattered all over the place.
So how is Daddy gonna get the seat out?
He's got to take it out with tools.
Dad, there's a rip in the seat. No, we're gonna get a cover.
Yeah.
So the rip won't show. I'm excited. This project's gonna be very fun. And then maybe one day we could go drive it downtown. We'll just have to wait and see.
Now you're talking.
Yeah.
It's looking a lot better already.
Yep, it is. Let's just keep it clean.
Yeah. All right, well, that's the second time we got soaking wet today. I'm over it.
Yeah.
Let's load up.
Yeah. I'm already loving it so far.
Yep, you're sitting next to it in the back seat.
Well,
Just missing your helmet.
yeah.
But we got it cleaned up. It looks a lot better.
Good thing I have a helmet at home.
Yep. Yeah, we went ahead and washed that off because we're going to reuse the seat.
And then we're gonna just take all the plastic off and then get some new plastic.
Yeah, you got sprayed with mud too, huh?
It was the handlebar.
Yeah.
tools were full of mud where they laid it over in the dirt. And then I started spraying water in there and it...
Yeah, it just exploded. It's like a firework of mud.
It was like a TNT of mud.
Oh, look at my hat.
Oh no, not the Yamaha hat. The rain's falling, the leaves are falling. What? I hear you. Woo! Nice. Look at you go. All right, go ahead and paddle it to the back.
Don't have your first crash.
too. This. You move it by it. Cora, we just need a third one.
Yep.
We need a third one. Yeah.
You guys got yours. Now I need to get mine.
Mine is a little taller, Dad. This one actually runs. You're gonna give me a stock engine?
Get up, get up.
Get
Mine
on.
ripped off. His is taller than mine.
Dad, I'll take this one then. No, I'm kidding. I love this one. I'm taking mine.
Yeah.
Dad, here, stand on yours. Here, let's see. Corey, you should take a picture like we're racing.
Yep. Let's see what y'all look like sitting on your little pit bikes.
And then we need
Did your suspension compress?
Kind of. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. How cool am I to allow these dirt bikes in the house?
Best mom ever, huh?
Are you taking a picture of it? Wait.
Cheeto. Are you looking cute?
Why are we so extreme?
I don't know. We're always this way.
We
Dad,
went
look.
from none to
Dad, look
two,
at.
working on.
Hey.
Uh-oh. You got your jersey on. You've got your helmet on. Your goggles.
Okay. Start your engines.
Yeah, no, that one you are sitting up just a little bit higher.
Mine's a little cooler. No, I'm kidding.
Yours a little rougher.
Yeah. Yours needs some work, buddy.
I know.
But it's gonna get there.
I'm gonna win. I'm gonna get this done.
Yep. Okay, so you spent $60 on it.
And I have
His
200
total budget.
Hold
What?
the handlebars.
Can't wait until this runs.
Okay, so he spent $60 on the bike. Doesn't run. He's gonna end up getting the stock engine out of this bike. But we're gonna cosmetically customize everything and fix it up.
With $220 remaining.
Yep. So your total budget was $280. And he's saved up all his money. He's been working hard.
Mowing yards, doing chores.
Yep.
He's earned it. So we're excited to see what he does to this bike.
It's all mine now. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing.
You ready to rip?
Uh-huh.
Let's do it.
It's a good thing. You got this.
I'm gonna
Yeah.
make it look
All right,
so
family
cool.
high five.
I'm gonna make it look so cool. You guys gotta wait to see the design. We ain't gonna tell a single bit of it.